Have you ever felt a sudden wave of dizziness when standing up, or noticed your legs feel too weak to trust completely? A single fall can instantly strip away your independence, yet doctors often just tell us to be careful or use a cane. But falling is rarely about clumsiness. It is caused by hidden physical changes: weak muscles, dropping blood pressure, numb nerves, and brittle bones. The beautiful truth is that you can actively fight every single one of these dangers using the food in your pantry. Today I am going to show you 15 incredibly simple meals designed to rebuild your leg strength, stop dizzy spells, and fortify your bones. Every meal takes just minutes to make, uses everyday staples, and requires zero chopping. Let us get right into it. When you want to start your morning by building a strong foundation, the cottage cheese and soft peach power bowl is an absolute miracle. Take 1 cup of small curd cottage cheese and scoop it into a bowl. Top it with 1/2 cup of canned soft peaches that you have drained well, and finish with a gentle dusting of cinnamon. It takes 2 minutes and requires no appliances whatsoever. The magic here is that cottage cheese is incredibly rich in casein, which is a slow-digesting protein. Instead of burning off quickly and leaving you fatigued, it feeds your leg muscles steadily for hours, keeping your foundation incredibly strong and stable all morning so your legs never feel like they are going to give out beneath you. The soft, bright peaches provide a beautiful, refreshing sweetness that pairs perfectly with the creamy cheese, making it a joy to eat. If you are looking for a hearty lunch that actively fights against dizzy spells, the mashed sweet potato and black bean bowl is a perfect choice. Dizziness when standing up is a leading cause of falls, and it is often triggered by sudden, dramatic drops in blood pressure. Potassium acts as a natural pressure release valve to stabilize this. Take 1/2 cup of canned, drained, diced sweet potatoes and 1/2 cup of rinsed canned black beans. Microwave them together for about 4 minutes until piping hot. Then top the warm mixture with 1 tablespoon of mild salsa. Sweet potatoes actually have significantly more potassium than a banana, ensuring your blood pressure stays perfectly regulated so the room stops spinning. The black beans provide fantastic fiber, and the salsa adds a deeply savory, hydrating flavor without any complex cooking. For a deeply comforting dinner that protects your delicate nerves, the warm spinach and salmon pouch toss is a wonderful option. Neuropathy, or feeling numbness and tingling in your feet, makes it incredibly easy to trip because your brain cannot quite feel where the floor is. To fix this, microwave a large handful of pre-washed baby spinach in a bowl for 30 seconds until it is beautifully wilted. Open a pouch of pink salmon and flake it directly over the warm greens, finishing with a drizzle of olive oil. Salmon is incredibly rich in B vitamins, which actively heal the nerve endings in your feet, so your balance signals remain clear and sharp. The dark leafy spinach provides massive amounts of magnesium to keep your leg muscles firing smoothly without spasming or twitching when you walk. When you want a rustic, satisfying lunch that acts like structural armor for your skeleton, the sardine and tomato paste soft toast is unbeatable. Weak, brittle bones actually force the body to hunch forward over time, completely throwing off your center of gravity and pulling you toward the floor. Take 1 tin of bone and sardines, drain them and place them in a bowl with 1 tablespoon of rich tomato paste. Mash them together heavily with a fork, bones and all, until it forms a thick, savory spread. Spread this over a slice of soft, warm toast. Those tiny, fully edible bones inside canned sardines provide the highest, most highly absorbable form of pure calcium available in the grocery store. It is an old-fashioned, brilliant way to keep your skeletal frame strong, dense, and upright. For a warm, savory breakfast to fuel a busy day, try the fluffy egg white and spinach scramble. Drop a handful of frozen baby spinach into a warm, lightly oiled skillet over medium heat. Pour 3/4 of a cup of liquid egg whites straight from a carton over the melting spinach. Add a pinch of black pepper and scramble softly until fluffy. Using liquid egg whites skips the cracking and the messy shells entirely. Egg whites are 100% pure, easily absorbed protein. They give your leg muscles the absolute perfect building blocks they need to stay stable and strong when you are pushing yourself up from a deep chair or navigating a steep flight of stairs. You know, it is so easy to just brush off a meal when you are feeling drained. But I was reading a statistic recently that really stopped me in my tracks. Over 300,000 older adults are hospitalized for hip fractures every single year, and the vast majority of those are from falling sideways from a standing height. If you are not actively flooding your body with highly absorbable calcium and vitamin D, your bones are quietly becoming brittle, hollow, and fragile, just like dry chalk. When you ignore this, the next time you slip on a wet bathroom floor, your bones do not bounce, they snap. A fractured hip changes everything. It means surgeries, heavy medications, and relying on someone else to help you get out of bed every morning. The cost of doing nothing is losing your freedom. If you need a gentle guide to help you protect your health and keep your independence, please hit the subscribe button right now. You absolutely have the power to harden those bones and build an unbreakable frame starting today. Let me show you how to do it in under 3 minutes. For an evening meal that feels like rich comfort food, but works hard for your bones, make the frozen broccoli and cheddar no-chew mash. Place 1 cup of frozen broccoli florets in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for 5 minutes, until they are completely mushy. Mash the broccoli heavily with a fork, then stir in 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese and a splash of milk until it melts into a thick, savory, comforting soup. Broccoli is a massive plant-based source of calcium, and the cheddar cheese provides both extra calcium and the vital vitamin D your body requires to actually pull that structural armor directly into your bones. It requires absolutely no chewing effort, but gives your skeleton immense strength. If you ever feel faint or lightheaded in the late afternoon, the hydrating tomato and soft cabbage broth is a beautiful 5-minute dinner that can change how you feel instantly. Dehydration is a massive hidden cause of fainting and falling in older adults. Pour 1 cup of low-sodium broth and 1/2 cup of canned crushed tomatoes into a deep bowl and microwave until steaming hot. Drop a handful of pre-shredded coleslaw cabbage directly into the hot broth and let it steep for 1 minute until the cabbage is soft and translucent. The vibrant red tomato and the deeply savory broth deliver a massive flush of warm hydration right into your bloodstream, while the soft cabbage provides gentle fiber, keeping you grounded, alert, and entirely steady on your feet. When you want a fresh, bright lunch that requires absolutely no cooking, the lemon tuna and pumpkin seed salad is a true balance protector. Open a can of skipjack tuna, drain it, and flake it into a small bowl. Mix in 1 tablespoon of creamy mayonnaise and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of bright green-shelled pumpkin seeds over the top. Tuna provides a massive dose of vitamin B12 to ensure your brain can communicate clearly with your feet, completely reducing that dangerous numbness that causes tripping. Meanwhile, pumpkin seeds are the undisputed kings of dietary magnesium, working instantly to stop those sudden leg twitches or muscle spasms that can cause you to stumble unexpectedly. If you wake up feeling a little unsteady and need a quick sweet fix, the warm banana and peanut butter mash takes just 2 minutes and works wonders. Take a very ripe, peeled banana and microwave it in a bowl for 30 seconds until it is steaming and wonderfully soft. Mash it with a fork and swirl in 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. Bananas are nature's potassium pills, which regulate the fluid balance in your inner ear and your overall blood pressure. Heating the banana makes it incredibly easy to digest, ensuring that vital potassium enters your system instantly to stop any morning dizziness and keep you planted firmly on your feet. The peanut butter adds a dose of healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. For a hearty, comforting dinner that rebuilds your physical foundation, the shredded chicken and white bean skillet is spectacular. In a skillet, sauté 3 ounces of drained canned chicken breast and 1/2 cup of rinsed canned white beans in a little olive oil until completely warm. Turn off the heat and fold in a handful of fresh baby spinach until it wilts from the residual heat. Canned chicken provides instant, incredibly lean protein. When you use your legs throughout the day, the muscle fibers actually tear slightly. This pure protein rushes in to rebuild those torn fibers without the heavy saturated fats of red meat, preventing the sluggish, heavy feeling that can lead to a careless stumble or a dangerous fall. When you crave a warm, sweet bowl of morning comfort, try the quick oats with pumpkin seeds and hemp hearts. Microwave 1/2 cup of quick oats with 1 cup of warm milk for 90 seconds until thick and creamy. While it is still steaming hot, stir in 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. Both of these tiny seeds are absolute magnesium powerhouses. When you load your breakfast with this much high-quality magnesium, it acts as the ultimate natural muscle relaxant, keeping your legs incredibly steady, calm, and entirely free of tremors or shakes all day long. The warm milk provides gentle calcium, making this the ultimate bowl of fall-preventing porridge. If you want a savory lunch that actively stabilizes your blood pressure, the avocado and pinto bean soft toast is a delicious 5-minute miracle. Roughly mash 1/4 cup of heavily rinsed canned pinto beans and 1/2 of a ripe avocado together in a bowl until they form a thick, beautiful green paste. Spread this creamy mixture generously over a warm slice of soft whole wheat toast. Avocado is an absolute potassium powerhouse, containing even more of this dizzy-stopping mineral than a standard banana. Paired with the complex, slow-burning carbohydrates of the soft pinto beans, this meal stabilizes your blood sugar and your blood pressure simultaneously, keeping your head clear and your feet planted firmly on your ground. For a savory, cheesy dinner that actually requires no dairy at all, the cannellini bean and nutritional yeast mash is brilliant for protecting your nervous system. Microwave 1/2 cup of rinsed canned cannellini beans until warm, and roughly mash them with a fork until creamy. Stir in 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast to create a cheesy, savory paste. Nutritional yeast is a brilliant vegan pantry staple that tastes remarkably like sharp cheddar cheese. But it is fortified with astronomical amounts of vitamin B12. It acts as pure medicine for aging nerves, bringing feeling and vital spatial awareness back to numb feet so you never miss a step or misjudge a curb. When you want a classic, hearty breakfast that fortifies your skeleton, the scrambled egg and canned mushroom skillet is a perfect, savory choice. Warm 1/2 cup of soft, drained canned mushrooms in a lightly buttered skillet. Pour 2 beaten whole eggs over the mushrooms, and scramble them softly until just set. Mushrooms are one of the only produce items in the grocery store that naturally contain vitamin D. You can eat all the calcium in the world, but without vitamin D, your bones simply cannot absorb it. This meal provides the vitamin D key to unlock calcium absorption for your bones, while the eggs provide the crucial protein foundation for the muscles attached to those bones. Our final recipe is a delightfully simple light lunch, the Greek yogurt and almond butter cup. Take 3/4 of a cup of plain, thick Greek yogurt and place it in a bowl. Swirl in 1 tablespoon of creamy almond butter and 1 teaspoon of golden honey. It takes 2 minutes to assemble and feels exactly like a decadent dessert. Greek yogurt is strained, meaning it holds nearly double the muscle-building protein of regular yogurt. It acts as incredible fast-absorbing fuel to immediately strengthen weak, shaky legs, giving you the confidence and the physical power to walk, stand, and move safely through your day without the constant fear of losing your balance. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple healing recipes designed just for seniors, please hit the subscribe button below. Living with the fear of falling can make your world feel incredibly small, but you absolutely have the power to build a stronger, steadier body using the simple foods already in your kitchen. By focusing on high-quality protein to stabilize your legs, potassium to stop the dizziness, B vitamins to protect your nerves, and calcium to armor your bones, you are giving your body the exact tools it needs to keep you safe and independent. Remember to be kind to yourself, and know that every nutritious meal is a step toward better balance. Please pick just one of these easy, beautiful recipes to try tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please take wonderful care of yourself, and I will see you in our next video.